Today is 3/26/25. We have a 97 Civic LX, and we have a water stain that's coming out of there. And it looks like it's kind of this rust residue color all the way up here. And the only thing I can see that's compromised is either this area here or this area here. So it looks like I can see some cracks from this polyurethane factory seal here. So I think the water's coming in there and somehow making its way all the way down that side. So yeah, I can feel my finger at the top, can feel this groove. So the water is coming from this way, somehow making its way from there to there. So let's see if I can go ahead and scratch this off, and then I'll probably have to put like a polyurethane from a window install right here. You can see my hand can remove this chip already. So you can see it's already moving like a cavity from the teeth. Yeah. Well, it's going to take me a while to get it with my finger, so I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, or take this. Let's see if I can accelerate this scratching situation. There we go. There we go. And there we go. We can see that the rust has worked its way here. And this is one part of the metal. This is another part of the metal. And all this bonding is where the problem is. So now I need to scratch at this, get some sandpaper, open up some more, and then put a good either epoxy or polyurethane or something here and seal this up, and then we're good to go. Or I can go to my friend with the glass door who installs front windshield and just tell them, put the caulking gun here, go, and it just fills it up, take the finger and just wipe it around, and we're good to go. Either way, if you get a source of water there, it could be from here because it's kind of factory here. And that's that.